Good afternoon to everybody. It's a great day for all of us. आज 23 वर्ष पूर्ण झालं आहे. 23 वर्षाचा जर जर्नी बघितलं तर खूप कठीण होता आणि ही जर्नी पूर्ण झालं या टीममुळे. इथे प्रत्येक जे बसलेले आहेत अँड ऑफकोर्स रेखा इज देअर. शी हॅज ऑलवेज बीन अ सपोर्ट टू मी. बऱ्याच वेळा मी तिचं FD तोडून सॅलरीज दिलेले आहेत. सो यू नो शी हॅज ऑलवेज बीन अ सपोर्ट सिस्टम. जे आपल्या अकाउंट्समध्ये त्यांना माहिती आहे की आपल्याकडे बँकिंग नाही आहे, आपण बँकचे काय लोन्स घेतले नाही आहे, तरी कसंही कष्टाने कधी सॅलरीज लेट होतात, कधी हे होतात, पण आजपर्यंत कोणी कंप्लेंट केलं नाही. आणि ही जे सपोर्ट आहे त्याच्यामुळे आपण इथे उभं आहोत आज. कंपनी रन्स ऑन पीपल. कंपनी डझंट रन ऑन द ओनर. ओनर इज आय एम अ इन्व्हेस्टर. ही कंपनी बिलॉंग्स टू यॉल. दिस कंपनी बिलॉंग्स टू एव्हरी वन प्रेझेंट इयर. आज आम्ही डायव्हर्सिफाय का करू शकलो? कारण काय, अरोरा साहेब म्हटले ओके फाईन, आय टेक ओव्हर वॉटर, सो आय नीड नॉट लुक इन टू वॉटर. अजयजी म्हटले आय विल टेक ओव्हर द टॉप 20 न्यूज, आय नीड नॉट लुक इन टू इट. Tushar and Roshni said, we will take over the hair and care. It has been done. Then we have Tanvi, and luckily now Animesh has also grown up. He has also joined because further he has to take over the whole of the organization. And of course Tanvi is there. Tanvi has been a big support to the organization from day one. Today if Decalip is standing, it is just because of her. Right from product identification, suppliers, R&Ds, everything has been done by her. And fortunately now Animesh is also shaping up. Should be in next 4-5 years he'll be able to take over from me. So I'm very fortunate what Ajay ji said की आपल्याला अजून एक नंबर बघायचं आहे पुढे, that is 123. विवेक जी just told कि भाई अपने को 123 साल देख सकता है. मैं तो रहूँगा नहीं. Animesh will be there, his children will be there, the legacy will go on. Now I don't know, Ragini and her husband is with us, Chavan and his wife is with us. Might be that their children also might join. So the legacy will go on. Company रुकेगी नहीं, company बंद नहीं होगी. We have seen the worst. If you talk to people from Deccan Water, you will come to know what we have seen, what we have gone through, whether it is police station, whether it is court, we have seen everything. But we have fought it out. ऐसा नहीं कि we have just sat on it. आया problem, हम लोग सॉल्व किया. हर चीज़ पे हम लोग ने ये किया. एंड दिस इज बिकॉज वी गॉट सपोर्ट फ्रॉम एवरी इंडिविजुअल सिटिंग हियर. ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस आर बिल्ट ऑन पीपल एंड दिस इज अ गुड एग्जाम्पल. आज 23 years इज नॉट अ जोक. आज 23 साल कंप्लीट करना एक बड़ी बड़ी बात होती है. नेक्स्ट 2 years विल बी सेलिब्रेटिंग सिल्वर जुबली. Now the company has got stable now. Today any company, you know, the first generation entrepreneur, it takes time for him to settle down. We have settled down. Now we have to look forward because the next generations are coming in. We just tied up with Amity University. Future of Deccan Water is very bright now. There was a time, I'm talking about 7-8 years back, we had almost 200 people working for Deccan Water because we were having service department. Am I right? 200 people were there. But we took out the service because it had become headache for us. We had accidents where people died. People fell in the sewage tank and died. So it had become a problem for us. I was abroad. I had to land in India and directly go to the police station. We have seen the worst. So now if there is a problem, you know, time has taught us a lot of things. So today I am ready for any challenges. Last Friday, we tied up with Amity University for a new technology. And we have got youngsters who have joined us. You know, in fact, we have a lot of youngsters who have joined the water division. And we have interviewed almost 150 people. And then we have selected some people who will be looking after this division. And that's the future. Because today, value addition to any product is very important. So now we have got a product where we are going to generate electricity from sewage water, from wastewater, and also the COD, BOD, like people who are non-technical, the wastewater has got a lot of impurities in it. The impurities also get reduced. So your running cost becomes very less. So I am looking at that division to a big division. So we have Kanwarjit here, Sagar here, then we have Vijay here. So now we have a lot of people, and Arora Saab, the young man, is still very active. So things will now really improve. And I'm grateful to everyone sitting here. There's one more good news I would like to give today. This, and only Tanvi knows about it. Yesterday we tied up with a Swedish company for methanol. Now let me explain to you what is methanol. Methanol is an alternative to diesel. Everybody is looking out for alternatives. So methanol is an alternative to diesel. So there will be a tri-party agreement. It will be Niti Aayog, that is Government of India, Deccan. Now we have to decide whether we have to take it under Deccan water treatment or it will be a new company, and the Swedish company. The Swedish company will hold 50% stake in this company. So next month we are signing it off. Already documents have reached us. So that will be a new venture for us. Because see, today a time has come that you have to look forward. Until and unless you are a visionary, you will not be able to survive. Why we survived for 23 years is we have always diversified. Whether it is water, whether it's solar, whether it's fire, whether it is, we are talking about small projects like hair and care, or whether we are talking about Deccan AV Media. And I'm very sure that with the new technology, the group will be very big. And I can assure you one thing, in next 2 years, Deccan AV Media will also be very big. We are planning for 36 Jilla, 36 reporters, and Ajay ji has been working on it. Shortly we'll be having our own building, and I'm sure the way these people are working, I have been observing them, because I don't touch things which I don't understand. When I met Ajay ji, I told him very clearly, see, I don't understand your field, I will not interfere. Because somebody tries to teach me water, I will not listen, because I am into this field from more than 32, 33 years. So he's been doing a good job. I have been following them. They keep interviewing people, they try to get new products, they try to highlight a lot of new things. Like one of the latest ones which I saw is on FC Road, there's a restaurant where it is run by Mugbadirs. So it's a very unique thing. They interviewed, we have the Aishwarya, who went and interviewed the cameraman, they went and interviewed, and I followed it very well. So this is a few things that will bring you up. You have to be unique, you have to be different from somebody. When we were talking to Amity University, it's not that we were talking. Annexchange was talking, Thermax was talking, Doshi was talking, everybody was talking to them. But finally they went with us. So we showed them that yes, we are interested, we have a uniqueness, we want to do something, and it will be a win-win situation for both of us. I think people are getting bored. Are you sure? नहीं, बोर भी हुआ तो सैलरी मिल जाएगा, don't worry. So the thing is, I am very sure that next 3-4 years down the line, group will be very big, and it will be decentralized. If Arora sir is doing something, I don't interfere in day-to-day matters. I spend 1 hour with Deccan Water. Same thing with Tanvi's division, because I have my own work to do. I keep doing a lot of other work leaving this. So I am also busy. But I am very fortunate that the team is very good. And today if we are here is because of each one of you all. Each one has contributed. Let it be a Maushi, let it be Sanjay, let it be Arora Sahab, let it be Tanvi. The smallest person also contributes. Aj Sanjay, poor fellow, he has to work in my speed. मैं संडे को काम करता हूँ तो उसको संडे को काम करना पड़ता है. If I come late at night, he has to come late at night. So we have dedicated people with us. And I also especially want to mention about my family, the support that I get from my family, whether it's a birthday, it's an anniversary, and if I am busy, I have never got a complaint till today. I remember last birthday of mine, I was traveling to Chennai. तो आठवता का? So, but still, you know, people understand that, okay, he's busy, he's gone because there is some work. And if I don't move, then it will be difficult for the company. Because my movement in the market has to be there to run the company. Because today we have not come to that stage where there is somebody who will take over from me. But I'm sure with youngsters coming in, you know, things will improve. And now we are decentralized. In my whole this, I have been only once to Deccan AV Media. Ekda aloy ka donda? Donda, twice. Hair and care, earlier I used to be regular, but now I don't go. So with Deccan Water, I spend 1 hour in the morning. Okay, but yes, Decca Leap, I have been spending a lot of time because there's a lot of investment which has taken place, and they have taken a lot of money from Deccan Water, which has to be returned. Anyway, last year we missed this day because of the lockdown. This year, with all the restrictions, we could do it. Thanks a lot to Menka, who had taken a lead and who has done it. And very nicely arranged. In fact, this should be the first year that we have done it so well. And we look forward that next year the team will be double. We'll be needing a better hall, a bigger hall. And wish you all the best. Thank you all for being a part of the family. Have a great day ahead. Thank you so much. Bye.